What is up, everybody? It's Mike here, and today we got a special opening, mystery box opening from you guys with not one, not two, but 3 packages straight from the MonsterJamSuperStore. Alright guys, so if you know by now, there was a exclusive truck from the MonsterJamSuperStore that was currently released, I believe about maybe a week ago, maybe midweek of last week, maybe Wednesday, and there was another release of another Superstore exclusive truck, which we ended up getting a couple of them from. So the main idea of this pack opening is a lot of you guys, or unboxing, is a lot of you guys know if you order from the MonsterJamSuperStore and you order in large quantities, that the cards on the trucks and everything are always damaged, they're always messed up, they're always broken. So there's going to be a total of 3 different trucks. So with that being said, I want to kind of start this video off going with the small package first, then the medium package, and then basically the big package. So yeah, so the small package is right here. This is definitely the smallest one, and if you guys can tell, it's definitely a package that could contain 1 or 2 trucks. And then we got the medium package back here, which we're just going to set this aside and move this out of the way because this thing is huge as everything's falling apart. Give me a second. And then last but not least, we have the very big package, which I kind of have an idea what's in here, but with that being said, I want to open the small one and see how good the MonsterJamSuperStore really is. As you can tell, this thing's like just about the size of my hand, and yeah. So we're gonna crack this open with my scissors here, my trusty scissors. And if you guys do know, the Target MonsterJamSuperStore did come out with some exclusive trucks recently in a couple of weeks, and one of those trucks was the exclusive World Finals 21 truck, which that actually, I don't know if that sold out very quickly. I think you can actually still get it. And also they came out with the Fire and Ice Team Captain trucks, which those trucks, actually there are no differences compared to the other Fire and Ice. I think it's El Toro and Max D. So those are just like trucks in a new packaging and everything to celebrate the team captains. But yeah, with that being said, the very first truck, and if you guys can see it right there, this is the World Finals 21 truck. So let's take this thing out and take a closer look at it here. Okay, so we got our nice little receipt right here. So what I wanted to do here was, last year I ordered a lot of World Final 20 trucks and also a couple of the Halloween special Pirates Curse truck. And when they came, they were basically all dent, all messed up, corners bent, and it was a very, very bad experience. But as you see right here, let me get the box out of the way. As you see, there's nothing else in here. So this box, pretty big. It could possibly contain 2 trucks, but here it only contained 1. And I just want to say that the card on this truck looks absolutely amazing. No bent corners, no nothing. So if you guys ordered just one of these trucks, hopefully you lucked out like I did. And as you see, beautiful packaging here. They did a really nice job on this. But yeah, nothing really damaged, nothing broken. So this one actually looks really good. Now I should have 3 of these trucks coming in, so we're gonna put this one right here, and we're gonna open up next the medium-sized box. All right, so for one, I am extremely happy that I got one World Finals 21 truck that looks like a perfect card. There's no bends on the corners, there's nothing. So far we are 1 for 1. Now with this box, this one being the medium one, this should be either 2 World Final 21 trucks, or it might be the Fire and Ice Team Captains and another World Final truck. I honestly do not know. But yeah, the day these things got released, it was pretty interesting because I was kind of like stalking the you know, the MonsterJamSuperStore website, and it was pretty funny because if you guys follow MonsterJamOCD, which if you don't, I highly recommend it, he posted the truck on, I think it was Instagram and Brian Z. Patton, and he actually posted it a little earlier than what it was supposed to be. And a lot of people bum rushed the Superstore trying to order it, and then all of a sudden when you went back to his post or whatever, it was basically gone, and he was like, yeah, it's not the right time. So that was pretty funny, as this box is giving me an issue here. Tape, there we go. Alright, so open this box. I can already see that it is a World Final 21 truck, but the main question is, how is the card? Is the card okay? I hope it is. So we got our little plastic baggies, and we got our little receipt. And now time for this. So if you guys ordered 2 World Final trucks, you're gonna get a box about this size, which is okay. And here they are. And they are actually put together like this. So let's take a look here. As you guys can tell, it is totally the World Final trucks, World Final 21. And it looks like the cards are in okay, decent shape. I mean, this one's obviously a little bent right here. That's okay though. And that's a little bent right there. Nothing too major, a little bent on the top. So like, I know most of you guys probably won't care about this, but a lot of people like myself like to have at least one of these trucks saved in the perfect condition, and also I like to open one of them as well. So this is not bad. If you guys remember last year when they did the stunt truck and when they did the Halloween exclusive Pirate's Curse, it was pretty difficult because a lot of those trucks did get messed up. I know a lot of people that ended up getting about 10 or 15 of them, and all the cards were just in horrible shape. But with that being said, let's move on to the big box. Now, with that being 3 World Final 21 trucks, I definitely know what this is. Alright, so the final box, as you guys see here, it is totally massive. It is the biggest box. This is probably one of the biggest boxes I've ever gotten from the MonsterJamSuperStore. So, obviously, if you guys follow it, you guys would know this is definitely the Team Captain Fire and Ice set, which is Max D and El Toro Loco. And the only thing I have to say about this set, obviously I'm a collector. I collect just about everything in 1/64 scale and 1/24 scale. And the funny thing was, I was never actually going to collect the 1/24 scale. I just kind of ended up doing it. But with the Fire and Ice trucks, this is definitely the last pack of it. And if you guys aren't variant collectors, then this one, I can kind of see a lot of people skipping out because there is no difference between the trucks compared to the ones that did get released with, I think it was Max D and Dalmatian, and the other one was, what was the other one? El Toro and Zombie, maybe? I can't remember. I think it was El Toro and Zombie. But yeah, so let's see how this comes out. I kind of hope this one comes okay. So here is our little receipt, which is awesome. And the first truck up here looks like it's going to be these. So this looks in perfect condition. Here, I'm actually going to move this out of the way real quick. Put this here. And we actually do have another truck in here. It's actually stuck right now, so let me try to fix that up. Get this moved out of the way. And it's another World Finals truck. Alright, so first off, so here is the Team Captain exclusive truck or set for Fire and Ice. Obviously there's nothing really different here, it's just the packaging, what trucks came in. There is no difference with the chassis, roll cage, rims, tires, or anything like that. However, I do wish that they did make these trucks a little different compared to their counterparts. Maybe if they made these trucks with the black tires, the black roll cage, and like a orange BKT on the tire or something like that, that would have been cool. Like I'm saying for Max D, but if they did like vice versa for, you know, Team Ice, that would have been cool. I think that would have been really worth it, definitely in a collection standpoint and everything. Sadly they did not do that, but anyway, this is a perfect case, no bent corners. Looks like Spin Master, or wow, Spin Master, the MonsterJamSuperStore actually cared a lot on this one, and it wasn't just thrown into anything, so that's pretty nice. Now, however, I did get another World Finals truck with that, and this is actually the 4th World Finals truck. And even though it came with just this card is actually the worst card I got. As you see, it is bent at the top. and I'm just double checking it, but it looks like it's just bent at the top, and it's also bent a little on the corner, but that's okay. That's all right. I mean, I got three other ones that are really good, and for the most part, having one truck that I was going to open anyway, and it's going to be this one because the card is kind of bent, as you see right there, which is fine for me. But yeah, very it's also bent here too, but that's not bad compared to what a lot of people went through last year with the stunt truck and the Halloween trucks. This went off very well. So we got 4 World Final 21 trucks, and we also have the Team Captain exclusive Fire and Ice. Very fast shipping. I think I ordered these the day it came out, so I think it was Wednesday of last week. It could have been Tuesday, but I think it was Wednesday. No, actually it was Monday of last week that I placed the order, which was the 18th, I believe, and it is currently Friday the 23rd. So we got these pretty fast, pretty quick, and only one truck that's kind of bad in the packaging, but it's alright. We're going to open it and do a review on it anyway. But with that being said, guys, I will see you in another video very shortly, and hopefully, if you did not get these already in the mail, with the holiday and everything coming off, or coming up, maybe Tuesday or Wednesday, but definitely well worth the price, well worth anything. And yeah, I'm actually really happy that all these trucks came very good. So I will see you guys in another video very shortly.